Thank you, brother. Your name once again? Bafo from Ghana, guys. I met him here in Kathmandu. So, just one question, like, is it your first time here?
No, second time here.
Second time. What do you think, like, or how do you feel about Nepal in general?
Nepal is a very good country.
Okay.
That's why we are all here. Very peaceful. They respect foreigners.
Okay.
They are very good people. Good people, all general good people.
Okay.
Yeah, if there's no peace or respect here, we won't come here again.
Okay.
It's a very nice place to be.
3 days, I will go that side.
Okay. Ask Tamil. Take it there in the evening.
Okay.
To see them, huh? In the evening, both ladies and guys.
In the market?
Like similar like this.
Similar.
That's where they stay. There's more cheaper for them.
Okay.
You know, this place is like cheap. Oh, you have cheapness, goodness for everybody here.
Okay.
Yeah, it's like temples, like mall.
Yeah.
Yeah, that place.
Here is like tourist place.
Good.
Yeah. They don't do business here.
No.
Yeah.
So for Nepali, they do business for Africans. Yes, like tourists for us.
Okay. Okay, guys. So I'm in Kathmandu, and it's my first time since I've been here. I've never seen any African. It's only today, and I was so curious also to know much about him. So I'm here with your name.
My name is Bafo. From Ghana.
From Ghana.
West Africa. Yeah, West Africa.
Okay. So you said you are here in Kathmandu
for soccer, to play soccer games. I'm a soccer player.
Okay,
yeah, soccer player. Yeah,
footballer.
Footballer. Yeah.
How did you get that chance?
There's a tournament going on here called NSL. Super League. They play in stadium. The stadium is around this place.
Okay.
Today, no game. I've showed you. We'll go and watch them.
Okay.
I don't know. I'm traveling today to different city. I'll have taken you along to go and watch. We have other African guys playing.
Okay.
From Ghana, from Nigeria, from Cameroon. They're also playing.
Okay. You're going this way?
Okay.
Your way only. I will just go with you. No problem. Yeah, I have nothing here.
Let's walk small. If not,
okay. Come this way.
Fatah or something, yeah.
Oh.
So it's like games going on here
for
now. So most of the African footballers outside are in town also.
Okay, so what they do, like, how did you, like, what was the connection? Were you already here in Nepal, or they brought you from Ghana?
They brought me from Ghana.
Okay.
The teams bring you from Ghana.
Okay.
Play for them. After finish, you go back to your country.
Okay.
But some people come here by themselves, like you're coming by yourselves.
Okay.
So also play.
How easy to get that chance? I'm also a footballer, guys. I'm also a footballer. But I've been in India. I usually play in India.
Yeah,
but I never got that big chance like you was to, like big sponsor. I never got that. I only get contract like for 3 days, 1 week in India.
But I don't know. No. In football, no, it's chances about agents.
Okay.
You understand, huh?
Yeah.
Agent. So maybe a year. If I was around tomorrow, we'll go to the stadium.
Okay, I'll come.
It's around this place. If I was here tomorrow, I'll take your number. Go to them and go and watch.
Tomorrow? Where?
In Kathmandu.
I will come.
No, but I'm not around. I'm going.
Oh, you're not around.
Different city.
Okay.
To play that kind of game games.
Okay.
So now I'm even traveling this evening.
Okay. So tomorrow there will be game here.
Yeah, there will be game. Ask somebody Kathmandu Rangasala Stadium.
Okay.
Around in the evening 6, they play kick-off 6 p.m.
Okay.
You go and meet other African guys playing.
Okay.
Maybe through that you can go close to them and talk to them, like block them or something. Understand?
Okay, fine.
Yeah. So try ask anybody. 6 p.m. tomorrow.
Do you have any other friends here?
Yeah, they're all there.
Okay.
Someone at Tamil, I told you.
Okay, I think I will take your contact. You can help me to find out that.
Yeah. So you go to, you look for Rangasala Stadium.
Okay.
So there's a tournament going on, a very big tournament. Everybody is there. You go there, maybe you can meet somebody there. Maybe they will try and help you as well.
So like they will contact you, they will sponsor you, accommodation and everything.
If I go to a video and you meet one agent, they will contact you.
Okay.
You understand now?
It's a very big league.
Yeah, it's like 1 month tournament, but it's a very big tournament here in Nepal.
Okay.
You understand now? Well, if I was around, I would have taken you to the stadium and watch for yourself.
Okay.
I didn't meet you at the right time.
Okay, I think we'll meet once again.
Yeah. So,
thank you, brother. Your name once again? Bafo from Ghana, guys. I met him here in Kathmandu. So, just one question, like, is it your first time here?
No, second time here.
Second time. What do you think, like, what do you think, or how do you feel about Nepal in general?
Nepal is a very good country.
Okay.
That's why we are very peaceful. They respect foreigners.
Okay.
They are very good people. Good people, all general good people.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, if there's no peace or respect here, I won't come here again.
Okay.
It's a very nice place to be. Holidays, work, no problem for you. If only you don't have problem for yourself, no problem for anybody here.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I will give my review. I will also speak about Nepal afterward. Yeah, thank you. Nice to meet you. I want to have his contact because I'm also a big fan of football, guys. I love football. And if there is chance to play in Nepal also, I can't wait, guys. Nice to meet you, brother. Okay, guys, as I said, since I came to Nepal, I've never seen any African, and I was wondering, like, why this country I can't see any African. And it's only today, I didn't even expect that, guys. So I found this brother here from Ghana, and I was like, no way, I have to talk to him, guys. So as he said, he came here through football sponsor or football agency, guys. And I even used to ask myself, like, guys, in Nepal, is there foreign, I mean, forget of foreign, just say African. Do you guys have African student here, or which university here that you see African student which come and study? Because in India, it is something common, it's very common, guys, in India, because even myself, I study in India, and in India, every big city, most of the big city, guys, you will find African student, a lot of foreign student, international student, and it's something good, guys. You know, African are so good in football, and even myself, I'm so good in football, guys. I also open for any sponsor, guys. In case you guys want players, you can also let me know, guys. Let me know. I play as a defender, guys. I play as a defender, guys. I'm a footballer. I play for like defense position. In India also, I've been playing, but I never got any sponsor for any outside country, mostly in India within the state, guys. And as you heard, guys, from him, it wasn't me saying that. Our brother said his experience or what he think about Nepal, guys. This was really nice, and because, you know, like for him it is the second time he came Nepal for the second time. So for sure, that's true. For me, it's my first time, and honestly, I will say, yeah, Nepal is very peaceful, guys. Nepal is very peaceful. Like I can also tell you in Nepali language, like Nepal Sundar Rasanta Desho, guys. Yeah, Nepal is very peaceful, and what I love the most, like, it is very unique, and people, everyone is minding their business, guys. Everyone is minding their business. Like, I never see that much of hate around so far here. Like, no one even minding me or try to make fun of me. And I love the place, guys. The weather is good, the food, the people, and the city, guys. You can see the city, how well maintained it, and very less traffic, and so beautiful, like so clean, guys. It's so clean, and it's not that dirty. And life is just different, guys. Life is different, guys. Here people respect each other, guys. A lot of respect. And yeah, I can't just wait even, like I can't wait maybe to meet more other African footballer, not the student, guys. African footballer who are here so far in Nepal, to share more with you guys about their own experience in India, guys. About their own experience in Nepal, guys. Because yeah, now I believe that there is a lot of African here. Like as he said, guys, there is some places here where you can find African people, like Tamil. I've never been to Tamil so far, but I'm planning one day to go and explore that side. Yeah, they said there you will find a lot of African, and it's just something nice. Nepal is amazing, and yeah, I also want to witness like Nepal football game, guys. For Indian, I played a lot with Indian, and yeah, I also want to see. There is Nepali jersey, I can see here. This is like a Nepal jersey. How much is this one, brother?
This was 600.
600?
1600.
Huh?
1600.
1600. And this one? 1000. Is it Nepali national jersey? 1600 guys, Nepal national jersey guys. Yeah, 1600 for this. The quality is not even worth the price guys. Why they keep that much high? I don't know the official Nepali jersey, but anyway, it looked nice guys. And that's nice. Today I feel happy seeing one of my brother also in Kathmandu, because as I said, since I came here, never seen any African, and I can't wait to go to Tamil guys, to interview the African people here in Tamil and to see the experience here in Nepal. So far so good guys. My experience is so amazing in Nepal, and yeah, I can easily explore without any distraction, without any problem. I am even using the local bus, and also they have the in-drive, which make things easily with Rapido. In India we call it Rapido. Here in-drive, a lot of bike is there and affordable price guys. So this is Nepal. How's the view of Nepal, Kathmandu city guys? So amazing. Don't forget guys, do check out guys, there's a lot of vlog, a lot of heritage places which have been explored, and a lot of video of me trying the local food of Nepal. Just do check out for more vlog guys. Love you all. Peace out.